I want to encourage you to put yourself out there. I don't know what it is you want to do, but there was a time where I wanted to get on TV. And in order to get on TV to talk about assisted living, I needed to have a reason. So I put together free smoothies for seniors. And I put that together and I got out on TV, put myself out there. I stopped at the store, got a blender, got some ingredients, made up some recipes, and did it live on TV. That first time I did it was pretty hilarious because there was kind of a problem, a mix-up with the blender. Once in a lifetime opportunity, but if you want to see some of those recipes, go to freesmoothierecipes.com. freesmoothierecipes.com. Maybe you'll get a new recipe on a smoothie that you've been wanting. Maybe it's a great way for you to use those smoothie recipes in your senior home for your seniors. Or maybe you can watch the video that I did where I did a once in a lifetime mistake live on TV. You know what? Put yourself out there. You never know what you're going to find.